First off, let's talk about what a case study is. Generally, if you're gonna produce something, or maybe you're selling some content, or you're selling some type of product, you want to show what other people have experienced after purchasing that product. Or maybe you're selling some techniques, some internet marketing techniques, and you want to demonstrate how effective those techniques have been in your own life. What this will accomplish with Camtasia is you're going to create a case study for a product that you're selling maybe on your website, and it's proven statistically that that case study is going to help maximize your sales exponentially. That means you're going to sell tons more stuff if you've got a nice looking case study on that product or that service. So let's say, for example, that you have an internet marketing technique, something that you've developed over the years, and you want to market that. You might do a case study where you got a little presentation going. In the lower right-hand corner, you've got a video of you talking to somebody. All that's done in Camtasia. Also, maybe you got a screen capture of logging into your PayPal account, and you show time and time again all of these deposits being made into your PayPal account. And you're linking those two things. You're linking the product that you're selling with those PayPal deposits. And, all in one nice package that's giving the customer, the person that's viewing the video, that's giving them the impression that if they follow that, your guidelines, whatever you're selling, then they're going to have similar experiences. Another thing this does is demonstrate your mastery of a particular niche topic, and that's going to promote trust. How does that help you? Well, if people trust you, then they're going to buy from you. So a lot of the things that there are many things with Camtasia that we can directly make money from, but a lot of the things that we might do, people don't realize, use that as a tool to help you sell more of something that you're already selling. So yes, we can make money directly from Camtasia, but a lot of times we're going to use the video capabilities that it offers to just boost the sales of something that we're already selling. And that's a big thing. If you can build up trust with people, then they're going to be more apt to buy. You've all seen, you go to maybe an internet marketer's webpage and they've got screenshots of their PayPal account. That doesn't prove anything. Anybody can just pick up, a snapshot of a PayPal account, doctor up some numbers, and then post that on their page. That doesn't show anything. When you show you logging into an account, maybe you're logging into your ClickBank account or your PayPal account, and you can demonstrate that, this is real. That's what's going to sell people. That's what's going to convince them. So you're showing directly the result of utilizing your product or your technique, your services, and that you're giving them the impression that's what they can expect if they purchase. Now, there's two different twists that we've taken here. One, we're demonstrating our mastery of a particular niche, and that's going to, that gets people to say, okay, I can trust them because they know what they're talking about. And the other one, we're showing how really, if you utilize our product, if you utilize our services, this is the kind of results you're going to get. So kind of two different angles there. But what I've got is an example of both. These are really good websites doing this exact thing, and they're doing it successfully. The first one is Digital Juice, and that's at digitaljuice.com. We're going to be visiting it here in just a minute. The second one is jackhumphrey.com /Friday Traffic Report. That's actually where you want to go, what you want to type into your web browser. Now, I've already got both of these opened up in Internet Explorer, and I will show you Digital Juice first. What they're doing is they're using video to really promote their mastery of particular topics. And if I scroll down here on the left, they have got pretty much each one of these is a video. But you will notice, like, for example, let me find one that shows you, okay, Techno, Mics Unleashed. What they're doing here is they're demonstrating their mastery of a particular topic. That means you're going to trust them. That means you're going to purchase from them. It's also a good way to get people to come back to your website because, the more people come to your website, the more they're going to purchase. So what happens here is they're producing, essentially it's kind of like a podcast, but they're producing something on their own website that interest their customers. So their customers are going to come back and view new episodes of this. And they're using video to do that. You can do all of this inside of Camtasia. Camtasia allows you to not only capture your desktop, but you can hook up a camera and you can capture that camera as well. And it's tying the two together. So great editing capabilities there. And what you'll see in a lot of these, because we're dealing with digital editing and stuff like that, there's applications involved, there's physical technique involved. So what you'll see in a lot of these videos is the two of those married together. You will see a video of a talking head, a person basically standing there talking to you, and then it'll transition over to maybe their desktop so you can see what they're doing on their computer. All of that can be accomplished with Camtasia. And these are really, really great, informative videos. Now, the next one, this is Jack Humphrey. What he's doing here is he's got a video. I'm not going to load it because I don't know if my bandwidth can handle it right now. But what he does here, this is an actual case study of his techniques. So when you click on this, he's giving you realistic, real-world data so that you can see, hey, by utilizing my techniques, you're going to be able to get probably similar results. And I tell you what, I will go ahead and click and start to load it, but by all means, visit the URL yourself.
Hi, this is Jack Humphrey. Wanted to do a quick case study on one page of my site. That's bringing in $414. I'll show you that.
Okay, so again, just his desktop and then him talking. It's recording that. And that's one thing that Camtasia does really good at. Record your desktop and your audio narration while you're going through it. As a matter of fact, just so you know, I'm using Camtasia right now. This is what I'm creating these videos with. I'm capturing my presentation and my audio narration while I'm discussing this with you. Up next, we're going to take a look at monetizing blogs.